If you're seeing a Monday.com error fetching data message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your boards and keep working without the frustration. This problem is usually caused by a temporary page issue, a weak internet connection, browser extensions, VPN settings, or cached data that needs to be cleared. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes like this. All right, let's hit started. The first thing to try is this simplest fix: refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just fails to load data properly because the session or request was interrupted. Press refresh in your browser or use the keyboard shortcut to reload the page. If the error disappears, then it was just a temporary loading issue. If refreshing does not work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can easily cause Monday.com to throw an error fetching data message. Try opening another website to make sure your internet is working normally. If things seem slow, switch networks if you can. For example, move from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot, or reconnect to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. A more stable connection can make a big difference. Now let's move on to browser extensions. In many cases, ad blockers or other extensions can interfere with Monday.com and stop it from loading data correctly. To test this, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers or other suspicious extensions one by one. After disabling them, go back to Monday.com and refresh the page again. If the site starts working, then one of those extensions was the cause. Another common reason for this error is a VPN or proxy connection. Some VPNs or proxy services can block the requests Monday.com needs to load your workspace data. If you're using one, turn it off temporarily and then refresh the page. After that, check whether Monday.com loads normally. If it does, you may need to keep the VPN off while using the platform or adjust its settings. If you're still seeing the problem, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, old cached files can conflict with the newest version of Monday.com and trigger loading problems. To do this, use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Delete on Windows or the equivalent browser shortcut on your device. Then select Cache and Cookies, choose the time range you want to clear, and click Clear. Once that's done, restart the browser and open Monday.com again. This often fixes stubborn loading errors. If clearing the cache still does not solve it, try signing out of your Monday.com account and signing back in. Sometimes the login session itself becomes outdated or corrupted, and a fresh sign-in can restore proper access to your data. After signing out, close the browser tab completely, open Monday.com again, and log back in with your account details. Then check whether the error has gone away. At this point, one of these fixes should usually solve the Monday.com error fetching data issue. In most cases, the fastest solution is either refreshing the page, disabling extensions, or clearing the cache. If you work in Monday.com often, it's a good idea to remember these steps because they can save you a lot of time the next time a loading problem appears. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That really helps support the videos and lets me know to keep making more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.